Hello everyone, welcome to today's session. Today we are going to see class 12 biology chapter 2 human reproduction. In this we are going to see the male reproductive system. The male reproductive system is responsible for producing, storing and transporting sperm, that is the male reproductive cells. It also secretes the male sex hormone testosterone, which is essential for the development of male secondary sexual characteristics and reproduction. Yeah, let's move on. Yes, let's start with the topic, children. The male reproductive system, it consists of a pair of testes, accessory ducts, accessory glands and also external genitalia, nothing but penis. So together these organs, they help in sperm production, maturation, nourishment and delivery during the reproduction. So here testis and scrotum, yes, testis. So the testis is the primary reproductive organ. What is the testis? Is the primary reproductive organ which is located inside the scrotum. Where it is located? Inside the scrotum. So each testis is about 4 to 5 centimeter long and contains nearly 250 testicular lobules. Yes. And scrotum, we can say it as a temperature regulator. See, scrotum is a pouch of skin that keeps the testis 2 to 2.5 degrees Celsius cooler than the body temperature, which is necessary for the sperm production. Next one. See here I have given about some exam tips also I have given, like low scrotal temperature is essential for the sperm formation. Yes. So next we are going to see inside the testis seminiferous tubules. Seminiferous tubules, if you take, means, see, each testicular lobule contains 1 to 3. How many? 1 to 3 highly coiled seminiferous tubules, which are nothing but the sites of sperm formation. Okay. So spermatogonia. Can you able to see the spermatogonia here? Yeah. So these are male germ cells that undergo meiosis. What it undergoes? Meiosis to produce sperm. And Sertoli cells. Can you able to spot it here? So these Sertoli cells, they nourish and support the developing sperm cells. And Leydig cells, where you can able to find this? See, interstitial spaces are there, no children, here, right? So, see, they lie outside the tubules. Yeah, these spaces, they lie outside the tubules. They contain blood vessels on this Leydig, that is nothing but our interstitial cells. What happens? These interstitial cells, they are located between the seminiferous tubules. So they produce the male hormone testosterone, nothing but androgens. Yes. Accessory ducts, path of sperm. So before entering into this, let us study this male reproductive system. So here you can able to see that male reproductive system diagram. Yeah. So this is the testicular lobules here, and then this retity testis, and then vas efferentia, vasa efferentia, and epididymis. This epididymis, from this epididymis, see, you can able to see it is moving in the vas deferens, and from the vas deferens it is yeah, going passing all these glands, seminal vesicle, prostate gland, bulbourethral gland, yeah, and then from there it is going to the urethra and the sperm will be released here, right children? So what happens? See, journey of sperm we are going to see. See, after formation, the sperm travels through the following pathway. I told you from where it is moving, from the seminiferous tubules, it is going to retitestis. From there it is going to vasa efferentia. From there to epididymis. From there to vas deferens. And then ejaculatory duct. From there at last through the urethra. So what is the function of all these things, children? Let's take the epididymis. See, epididymis, it stores and matures the sperms. Next is vas deferens. It transports the sperms. Tubular structure, right? It helps in transportation of the sperms. And in this ejaculatory duct, it carries the sperm into the urethra, right? And urethra carries semen outside the body. So how to remember? Some exam tip I have given. So first, like order I have given. Yeah, go through this. So first is retitestis, vasa efferentia, epididymis, vas deferens, ejaculatory duct and urethra. Let's move on to the next one. Next, we are going to see the external genitalia and accessory glands. So penis. Penis is the external reproductive organ responsible for transferring semen into the female reproductive tract during insemination. Yes, when we talk about the accessory glands, we have three accessory glands. How many? Three accessory glands. So first one is a seminal vesicle, which is a paired, that is two in number, and prostate is a single, and bulbourethral glands, they are paired, that is two in number. Yes, so seminal vesicle. So seminal vesicle, they produce fructose-rich fluid that provides energy to sperm. What they produce? Fructose-rich fluid that provides energy to sperm. Next is the prostate gland. It adds enzymes and alkaline fluid that improves sperm movement and survival. And bulbourethral glands, they secrete lubricating mucus that neutralizes acidity in the urethra. Right, children? And what is the seminal plasma? See, seminal plasma is nothing but the combined secretion of all these three glands, right? And they form the seminal plasma. What it contains? It contains fructose, calcium, and enzymes. So these substances, they nourish and protect the sperm. So exam tip also I have given here. Seminal vesicle is equal to nothing but the combination of the fructose, calcium, and enzymes. So let's have a quick revision, children. Scrotum keeps the testis cooler for sperm production. Testis, it produces sperm and testosterone. And seminiferous tubules is nothing but the site of spermatogenesis. And spermatogonia, they are male germ cells. Sertoli cells, they provide nourishment to developing sperm. Leydig cells, they produce testosterone. Epididymis stores and matures sperm. Vas deferens, it transports the sperm, and ejaculatory duct, it carries the sperm into the urethra, and seminal plasma, it nourishes and protects the sperm. So we have come to the conclusion part of this male reproductive system, children. Don't miss the video. Watch the full video. Yeah. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.